Hello, fellas watching around the world. Welcome back to another episode of the Zaki Crypto Update channel, your best crypto plug. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been creating a lot of hype in the crypto world. Can XRP really reach the $5 mark? If Ripple manages to capture 50% of the global remittance market? This is a big question, and there's a lot to unpack, so grab a seat and get comfortable. We'll go over XRP's recent price action, the state of the global remittance market, regulatory hurdles, and even the technical aspects driving XRP's potential breakout. Make sure you watch this video to the end to get all the juicy details. As always, remember this is not financial advice. It would help if you did your own research before making any financial decisions. Let's first talk about what's been happening with XRP lately. If you followed the market, you know that XRP has been on an exciting upward trend. There are several reasons for this momentum, starting with the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, announcing a 50 basis point rate cut on September 18th. The crypto market is highly sensitive to changes in interest rates, and this cut sparked a rally that saw XRP surge by around 5%. But that's not all. One of the most buzzworthy developments recently has been the launch of the Grayscale XRP Trust. This trust is now open to eligible accredited investors, often referred to as whales, adding a significant layer of institutional interest in XRP. This has only fueled the bullish sentiment surrounding XRP even more. Now, here's the kicker. October 6th is a date every XRP enthusiast should mark on their calendar. This is the deadline for the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) to appeal the summary judgment that was handed down in Ripple's favor. This case has been a long and complicated saga, but a non-appeal from the SEC could act as a massive catalyst for XRP, potentially driving its price to the $0.85 mark and beyond. But we'll talk more about this crucial date and its implications in a bit. All right, let's shift gears and discuss the massive opportunity XRP has in the global remittance market. To give you an idea of just how big this market is, according to Statista, the global remittance market is projected to reach a staggering $11.53 trillion in 2024 and grow even further to $16.59 trillion by 2028. That's a lot of zeros, folks. So why is this important for XRP? Ripple's XRP was designed to facilitate fast, low-cost cross-border transactions. If you've ever tried to send money internationally, you know it can be a slow and expensive process. Banks and financial institutions typically rely on a network of intermediaries to process international payments, which leads to delays and high fees. This is where XRP comes into play. By using Ripple's technology, financial institutions can settle transactions almost instantly and at a fraction of the cost. This positions XRP as an attractive option for the global remittance market, which has been desperately in need of innovation. Now, let's do some quick math to understand XRP's price potential. Imagine Ripple manages to capture even just 50% of this market. Given that XRP has a total supply of 100 billion coins, capturing a $16 trillion market would translate into a hypothetical price tag of $160 per XRP. However, the actual situation is a bit more nuanced. Currently, only 56 billion of XRP is in circulation. If we assume the remaining escrow tokens are never released into circulation, the XRP price could soar even higher, potentially reaching $283. That's an eye-popping 48,900% increase from the current price levels. But there's more to the story. In February, Ripple CTO outlined Ripple's ability to effectively burn the 40 billion locked XRP by backholding the associated accounts. This means they could decrease the total supply, which in turn could drive up the price significantly. And then there's the speculation that XRP could become a reserve asset, similar to how gold backs the US dollar. If this happens, we're talking about a whole new ball game for XRP's price potential. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room regulation. As I mentioned earlier, October 6th is a crucial date for XRP. The CC has until then to decide whether to appeal the summary judgment that favored Ripple. This lawsuit has been a long and arduous battle, with Ripple defending its stance that XRP is not a security. In the previous ruling, Ripple was ordered to pay $125 million, but that payment is currently stayed pending the outcome of the appeal. If the SEC decides not to appeal, it could open up a world of possibilities for XRP. We could potentially see XRP skyrocket to $0.85 or even higher, as market presumption would likely turn extremely bullish. On the flip side, an appeal from the SEC could introduce more uncertainty, possibly leading to short-term volatility. SEC Chair Gary Gensler has been vocal about the need to protect investors and has indicated that the SEC is committed to regulating the digital asset space through enforcement actions. This stance aligns with the ongoing crypto legislation hearings in the U.S. Congress. As it stands, the crypto market is facing sharp partisan divides, particularly with Democrats' resistance to certain regulatory efforts. How these legislative efforts pan out could have far-reaching consequences for the crypto market and XRP in particular. One of the most bullish signals for XRP is the recently launched Grayscale XRP Trust, which is now open to eligible accredited investors. This move marks a significant step in attracting institutional capital to the XRP ecosystem. Institutional interest is often seen as a key driver for asset prices, and XRP is no exception. The launch of this trust has contributed to the consistent uptrend we've seen in XRP's price since early July. The trust enables institutions to gain exposure to XRP without the challenges of directly purchasing, storing, and securing the asset. This type of vehicle could act as a magnet for large-scale investors, commonly known as whales, who can significantly impact the market's direction. If institutional interest continues to grow, it could lead to increased liquidity and potentially drive the XRP price higher. All right, let's get into some technical analysis. As of now, XRP is trading around $0.5859. The price action depicts a beautiful bullish continuation pattern on the daily chart. We can see XRP has been respecting an ascending trend line, showing a series of higher lows. This pattern indicates a steady uptrend in the short to midterm. The current key resistance level to watch is $0.64. The price has been consolidating just below this level for a while now. A breakout above this point could trigger a substantial rally, propelling the price up to $0.85, which would be a 40% potential gain from the current price levels. However, it's important to consider the downside risks. If XRP fails to hold above the $0.56 support level, we could see a drop to $0.52, $0.50, or even $0.42. That said, the long-term target remains bullish. With the right market conditions and sentiment, XRP could very well reach that $5 mark. So can XRP realistically hit $5? The answer is yes, but several factors need to align perfectly for this to happen. Firstly, Ripple needs to continue capturing a larger share of the global remittance market. We've already discussed how this market is enormous and growing. If Ripple successfully integrates its technology with more financial institutions and payment providers, XRP could become a dominant force in the remittance industry. Secondly, regulatory clarity is crucial. The SEC's case against Ripple has been a dark cloud hanging over XRP for quite some time. A resolution in favor of Ripple, or even a decision by the SEC not to appeal, could act as a major catalyst for XRP's price. This would likely open the doors for more widespread adoption and institutional investment. Lastly, market sentiment and technical indicators will play a significant role. As we've seen, XRP is currently in a bullish trend, respecting key ascending trend lines. If the broader market remains positive and XRP continues to build momentum, reaching $5 could be within reach. Let's take a moment to consider some of the more speculative but exciting possibilities. If Ripple manages to position XRP as a reserve asset, similar to how gold serves as a reserve for fiat currencies, the price could go far beyond $5. While this is a more long-term and speculative scenario, it shows just how much potential XRP holds. So can XRP hit $5? Given all the factors at play, it's certainly within the realm of possibility. Ripple's ongoing efforts to capture the global remittance market, diminishing regulatory hurdles, growing institutional interest, and the upcoming October 6th SEC deadline could all act as catalysts for XRP's price movement. While the journey to $5 won't be straightforward and will likely come with its share of volatility, the potential rewards could be substantial. As always, the crypto market is highly volatile, and it's crucial to stay informed. This video is not financial advice, so please make sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay crypto savvy.